Today, I'll show you how to play Tekken 6 on any Android device. Also, I'm going to be giving you guys the best settings to utilize so that you can get the best graphics and FPS on any Android device. Now, getting this done is quite easy. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your Google Play Store and then search for PPSSPP. Once you search for this, you are going to see the free emulator, and also you are going to see this gold emulator. So download any one of your choice. Once you are done with that, search for Z Archiver. Very important. You are going to need this archiver. So download this archiver. Now, once you are done downloading these two apps, go ahead and open your emulator for the first time. So once you open your emulator for the first time, it's going to ask you to create a PSP folder. Simply click on OK, and then simply go to your main directory and choose any folder that you want it to utilize. As for me, I like using my document section, so I'll click on documents, use this folder, allow, then I'll click on OK. Now it's going to open the interface, and as you can see, there's no game in here to play. So that's because we have not actually extracted any game. Now, to extract a game, we're going to need that app, which is the Z Archiver. So open your Z Archiver and locate your Tekken 6 PSP game file. So my game file is inside my download section. So once I click on download, you can see my game file is right here. So all we have to do, you just have to tap on this game file just once. Once you tap on it, you see three options of extract. You see extract here, extract to, and this third option, which is extract with the 3 dots. So this third extract option is what we are going to be using. So what you have to do is click on it. Once you click on it, then move to the destination folder that you want to actually drop the file on. So we're going to be putting it in the PSP folder. If you remember, I used the document section. So I'll click on document. You can see my PSP folder in here. I'll click on PSP. Now you can see that there is a game folder within that PSP folder. So I'll click on game. Now you can see this icon below. So I'm going to click on it, and it will start extracting my ISO file inside that game file. So let's just wait for it to finish doing this. Alright, right now you can see that it's done with the extraction process. So let's reopen our PSP emulator. So now we have to show the PSP emulator where we actually kept that extracted game file. So we'll click on browse. So once we click on browse, we just have to show it where we are keeping it. So it's in document PSP game. This is where we are keeping it. So we'll click on use this folder, allow, and as you can see, the game is here and is ready to play. Now you are going to be needing some settings that will give you the best FPS and graphics on your devices, especially when you are using a low-end Android device. So simply wait for that video, because I have a dedicated video that has to do with settings for PPSSPP emulator, and I'm going to recommend it at the end of this video. So simply stick to the end to access that video. Now let's give this game a try and see how it goes.
Get ready for the next Round 1. Fight! Round 2. Fight! personally.
Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now. It have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can also go ahead and watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.